Hi, in the previous video, we have discussed about the filter function where we have filtered few items from that particular iterable object using the filter function, and we have combined filter with the anonymous functions. In this video, what we're going to see the next one that is called the map function. So this one, the purpose of map is that to get a new list from the old list by applying some functions. So it is going to apply some functions on the existing list, and it will create a new list out of that. What is the syntax? Variable name equal to map of, we have to give the function name and the iterable objects. Okay, let's go ahead and see one by one so that the concept would be more clear. Map function. Suppose I have a list of numbers are there. I'm going to apply square of all the numbers in that particular list and return it as a new list. So numbers equal to, convert into code cell. I have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the lists. I want to create a list which is showing the square of all these numbers. How can we do that? In this one, I'm going to create, we can apply lambda functions. Lambda. On each item, I'm going to operate lambda x square. I'm going to square them. I'm going to work on which data? I have numbers as a list. Numbers. I'm going to work on this list. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to apply to each and every number. Previously, we have applied only to a selected number. We have selected now. Selected few of the elements. Here, I'm going to apply each one of them. I'm going to map this operation to each and every element. So I'm going to give map operation here. Once it is mapped, then I have to create a new list out of which I have to create a new list out of this. So I will be putting inside a list. So once it is in the list, let's save it in a result variable. Result equal to this one. Let's go ahead and print and see the result. Print result. See, it has squared all the elements of that particular list. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and 5 square 25. This is what this map function. Let's go ahead and see a few other example. Suppose if you want to take the cube, then we can take the same example. Take the same example if we want to take the cube. Instead of here, we can just give instead of 2, we can just 3. It will be the cube. 2 raised to 3 is 8, 3 raised to 3, 27, 4 raised to 3, 64, and 5 raised to 3, 125. Suppose if the operation is to double the value, then instead of power operation, exponential operation, then we can give just only multiplied by 2. It is going to give double the value. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10. See some conversions. Suppose if you want to convert some integer value into float value, it is as simple as that. Just numbers equal to, I have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to convert these numbers into float. How can we do that? We have this here. We don't need to call any lambda function. I'm just going to do map function directly. Then what we're going to map, I'm going to create as a, I'm going to convert into float. This operation where I'm going to do, I'm going to operate this on numbers. I'm going to do it on numbers. Once we declare like this, what it is going to do, for each and every element in this particular list, it is converting into float numbers. Let's save them in the list and declare it as a result variable. And once it is done, print result. Let's see whether it is giving the result or not. See, all the integers will be converted into float numbers. Yes. Suppose if you have some string was equal to something called Python, then I have Java. Okay, I want to convert into completely into uppercase. Then what can we do? Here we have this value as string. Okay, so what I'm going to do is directly we can apply string dot upper. Okay, str dot. I'm going to call this function working on top of words list. Working on top of words list. So convert into list. Then save them in inside a variable called result equal to this one. Str dot upper here. I don't need to call it as a function. Just give the string dot upper. It is going to give the result. Okay. Print result. And the result is going to say, or the words will be converted to uppercase words. This is going to work on the other conversion like low or capitalized titles and all. This is all about the map functions. The next one, what you're going to see is the reduce functions. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.